Anna and I work for Leap, and I'm going to show you how to use Zoom on your computer. There are two different ways you can use Zoom on your computer. The first way is using your browser, which we will do. It's more simple, and you don't have to download anything to your computer. And the other way is to download the app to your computer. These are all apps over here on your left-hand side of your desktop. I didn't install Zoom either, so you won't see an icon over there. But I'm going to use my browser to use Zoom. So your browser could be Google Chrome in my case, Microsoft Edge, I also have that one. There's Mozilla Foxfire, Safari if you have an Apple product. They all do the same thing. They take you to the internet. So we're going to go to the internet now. I'm going to click on my browser icon, and it takes me to the home page of my browser. The home page has a search bar down here and an address bar. They both do the same thing. So what you're going to do is click in the box and then type in zoom.us and hit enter, which will take you to the Zoom home page. Here we go. My computer's a little slow. This is your Zoom home page. There's join a meeting up here, host a meeting, sign in, and sign up. And we're going to sign up. It's free. So click on that. Then you want to put in your date of birth. This is just to keep track of demographics. It's not your personal information. And click continue. Then it asks you for your email address. In this case, it says your work email address, and you would use your work email address if you're using Zoom for business. But you can also use your personal email address, and it doesn't matter which one it is. So I'm going to put in my personal email address, and I want to click sign up. The next screen will be a prompt for you to check your email. So we're going to do that now. We go up to the tabs. This is called a tab here. And you want to open a new tab, you click the plus sign, not the X, the plus sign. The X will close your window out. There we go. Click on that. Then I'm going to go over to my 9 dots over here. These are all the browser apps. Click on that. Then I'm going to go to Gmail. If you're not signed in to Google Chrome, this is where you would sign in to Google Chrome. And the way you find out if you're signed into Google Chrome is if you look up here, there's currently no user. It's not a different color, and it doesn't have an initial on it. You'll have, like, for me, it would be an A. So we're going to sign in. Oh, there it is right there. Next. And then there's my password. And now if you notice up here, I'm now signed into Google Chrome. Okay. Okay, I'm just going to confirm that. And then it should take me to my, yay, Gmail. And finally, it will show my confirmation email. There it is. Please activate your Zoom account. Open that. Click on it twice to open it. And this is where you would click. I'm going to move myself over a little bit. Activate account. Click. Which will take you back to Zoom. Here we go. We're not signing up on a benefit of a school. Click continue, click no, and then it'll ask me for my name. Just type this in. And then you make a password. Now you'll need to use at least 8 characters, and character just means a letter or a number. And you also need to use a special, like an exclamation point or a dollar sign. I'm going to use a star there. And you click continue. There we are. Don't Zoom alone. Invite your colleagues to create their own Zoom accounts today. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to we'll save our password, and then I'm going to scroll down. This is the screen where you put in your meeting ID and your personal link name. When somebody, your instructor, schedules a meeting, they're called the host. They will send you an email with the 2 pieces of information that you need to join a meeting. The meeting ID is a 10-digit number, and I'm going to use an old one that we had for a staff meeting so you can see the process. Okay. Join, and then click join. In this case, because we're using the browser, we're not going to download anything. You want to click here where it says click here to launch the meeting. And then, because we're not downloading and running the application, we're going to click join from your browser. And then I'm going to put in the password, which is a 6-digit number. It should come in the email along with your ID number. Here we are. We're in a meeting. Yay! I just want to show you around the screen so you'll know what things do. We're connecting. Your host, when you get to the screen, your host will have to connect you from their end. So sometimes you wait in a waiting room. If it just says wait, that means that they're just waiting for you. Okay, up here is you have to join audio by computer. You want to click on that. Sometimes it'll also ask you for permission to use your microphone and your webcam. Now, my web video is not on yet, so I go down here to the left-hand side. There's my microphone, and you can see by the green movement that it's working. But my video needs to start, so I click on that. And there's John. He's using the whiteboard to say hello. I'm going to put this on hold for a minute because my camera is not working. Oh, my camera's not working. Oh, that's because I'm using it. I'm such a dumbass. Okay. My camera is being used by the application I'm using to film this video. So let's just pretend that this is me on Zoom. Here's the screen that you'll have once you sign in. The participants are down here. We're going to click on that. And you'll see on the side who's in the meeting. The chat option is when you want to send some text information. If you go down here to the left-hand side, you'll see my microphone is working, but my camera is not because it's being used for filming right now. But you would, if you have a red line through it, you click on that and it makes your webcam start working. And that is Leap Zoom meetings for you. All right, I think I'm done. Okay, I'm gonna go. I'm gonna leave the meeting.
Did you see my whiteboard?
Yes, I did. Thank you. I'm gonna just.
I hope that was helpful.
I'm gonna see if my video actually worked.
Yeah, it's a fun thing to play with.
Yeah.
But whenever you go into this meeting, just so you know, like, you need to admit you can't get in without that, and B, it's always that I haven't changed since the beginning. But
Okay.
The same room I'm always in.
Okay. Let me see if my video actually worked.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.